How fast are your weighing and filling machines? So we get asked this question a lot, and there isn't a very straightforward answer, unfortunately. We can't just state, it does 0 to 60 in so many seconds based upon the size of the machine. It doesn't really work like that, and I'll explain why that is. So quite simply, you're going to have a pouch, a bag, a box, whatever it is that you're wanting to dose with your product. You're going to either press a pedal or use a sensor to dose that pack, and then you need to do something with it. So you're going to put that down, either it gets sealed, passed on to a colleague, or processed later. You then need to open another one, get that ready, and by the time you've done that, got the next one open, it should be ready. So the machine is always optimized specifically to your product so that it will run at the speed to keep up with the operator, or in most cases the operator needs to keep up with the machine. So as soon as it is dosed and ready to go, then you press a pedal or trigger it so that it fills. That is essentially the speed of the machine. Now that can range from anything from a few packs a minute at very high weights, because you need time for it to fill, to 20, 30, 40 in some cases. It just depends upon flow characteristics, size of the pieces, what it is that you're handling. So the only way that we could specifically answer that is for you to send us your product in with your pouches. We will specify the correct solution for your needs, and then we could give you a more accurate answer to that. So not trying to sound vague, but I just want to put some thoughts into your head around how speed is kind of measured. And it is, like I say, it's not about 0 to 60. It is purely about how the operator works, how your production environment works, and the type of products that you pack. So I hope that's helped you to understand a little bit more about that subject. If you've got any questions, you want to send in some ingredients and your packs or pouches for us to test for you so that we can answer that more specifically, please feel free to do so. Just drop us an email or give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.